Welcome to the VETS United teaching module platform. If this is your first time on the website, the first thing you need to do is to first register by clicking on this register menu where you have to put in your details. We have it in French, in Spanish, and also in English. You will be asked to enter your username, your first name, the last name, your gender and the country, and also your email address. There are some optional questions here like your employer, your profession, how did you hear about the modules? You type in your customized password here and also retype it here, and then click on the confirm button, indicate that you are not a robot, and then click on the register button. Into the login section, then enter your email address that you used to register and also your customized password. Now you have logged into the platform. You can read about us here, WTS, the modules, and here it is being highlighted the 15 different modules that we already have, who we are, and also the bodies that have endorsed this teaching module. You can then go ahead to the modules section here. Once you click on this modules menu bar, it takes you to where we have all the modules uploaded from module 1 to module 15. For any of the module that you are interested in using or learning, you click on the arrow that is beneath the module like this. For instance, this is module 8, pain management. You can just click on the arrow beneath it and it takes you directly into where the module is. We have our resources as downloadable materials. You can download the materials as a PowerPoint, PDF, or you can download both of them as a zip file. There are some modules that have additional resources attached to them. For instance, the module 4 on clinical examination. We have the module in PowerPoint and PDF like the others, but we also have exam sheet for small animals, exam sheet for large animals, and the vital signs card. And also we have lots of videos attached. I hope you find this video very useful. If you have other issues, kindly reach out to us in the comments. If there are other teaching modules that you would love us to create, please also drop in the comment. Thank you.